Hello friends, in this video we will discuss conversion from Moore machine to Mealy machine and Mealy machine to Moore machine. Conversion from Moore to Mealy machine. Mealy machine. See the first question. For the following Moore machine construct an equivalent Mealy machine. What is the Moore machine? Input alphabet 0, 1 and output. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q1, Q0, Q2, Q0, Q2, Q0, B, B. This is given that this is the Moore machine convert into equivalent Mealy machine. Please see. What are the output associated with the state? Q0 is B, Q1 is B, and Q2 is A. These are the output associated with the states. So what is equivalent Mealy machine? Next state, output, next state, output, input is 0, input is 1. Q0, Q0, Q1. What is the output associated with the Q1? B. Next, Q0. What is output associated with Q0? B. Next is Q1. Q1 on 0, Q2. What is output associated with Q2? A. Clear? Q1 on 1, Q0. What is output associated with Q0? B. Clear? See next state Q2. Q2 on 0, Q2. Output is associated with Q2 is A. Q2 on 1, Q0. Output is associated with Q0 is B. This is equivalent Mealy machine. This is equivalent Mealy machine. What is the transition diagram for this? Q0, Q0 output is associated with B, 0 Q1 output is associated with Q1 is B, Q0 on 1 this, okay, Q1 on 0 Q2 output is associated with A, Q1 on 1 Q0, Q2 on 0 Q2, Q2 on 1 Q0. This is the, sorry, this one is 1. Mealy machine. What is equivalent to Mealy machine? Output is associated with B, 0 Q1 1 B, Q2 Q1 on just wait, Q1 this one is 0 0 output is A, 0 A 1 B. This is equivalent Mealy machine. Please check. This is Mealy machine and this one is Mealy machine. This is Mealy machine. Mealy machine. Clear? Done? See the next question. Construct Mealy machine for the following Mealy machine. What is the Mealy machine? Zero, 1. This is output A, B. Please construct the equivalent Mealy machine. Construct the equivalent Mealy machine. Do fast. See, What are the output associated with A? 0, B, 1. Next state, output. Next state, output. 0, 1. B, 1. A, 0. B, 1. A, 0. This is the equivalent Mealy machine. Now draw the transition diagram. A, output associated with 0. B, output associated with 1. 0, 1, 0, 1. Clear? What is the equivalent Mealy machine? A, B, 1 associated output is 0, 0 associated output 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is the equivalent Mealy machine. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? No. Okay. Do next question. Construct an equivalent Moore machine for the following Mealy machine. For the following Mealy machine. Next state, output. Next state, output. Input is 0 and 1. Q0, Q1B, Q0B, Q1, Q2A, Q0B, Q2A, Q0B. Please try to do this. Try to do this question. Take 1 or 2 minutes and try to do this question. Okay, see, what are the output associated with the states? Q0 B. There is any output associated with Q0? No. Q1 only B. Only B. Q2 only A. Q2 only A. Now check what is the equivalent Moore machine. Input, output. What are the states? Q0, Q1, Q2. Output associated with Q0 is B, Q1 is B, Q2 is A. Q1, Q0, Q2, Q0, Q2, Q0. This is the equivalent Moore machine. But remember one thing, when we convert Mealy to Moore machine, number of states might be increased. Number of states might be increased. We will see in next example. We'll see in next example. Do next example. Construct an equivalent Moore machine for the following Mealy machine. Next state, output. Next state, output. Input is 0 and 1. A, B, please try to do this question. Yes, do fast. See, what are the output associated with the states? A 0, B 0 and B 1. Clear? It means when we convert Mealy machine to Moore machine, there are 3 states, because 0 is associated with A, 0 is associated with B, 1 is associated with B. How to convert this? Please check. See carefully. See. Input 0 and 1. Output A. The name of this state is B0 and this one is B1. Okay. The output associated with this A is 0, 0, 1. Okay. A on 0, A on 1, B0, B0. Because output is associated 0. B on 0, B1. B on 1, B0. B1 on 0, B1. B1 on 1, B0. This is the equivalent Moore machine. See, number of states are increase. How many number of states are increase? Note. First you note this. After that I will give you some, one point. Note. When we convert Mealy to Moore machine, number of state Mealy to Moore machine number of states may increase. How much states increase? If Mealy machine contain n states and m output alphabet, then equivalent Moore machine may contain maximum m into n states. Clear? Where m is the number of states in Mealy machine and n is the number of states in Mealy machine and m is the output alphabet. Clear? Okay. Do next question. Construct an equivalent Moore machine. Construct an equivalent Moore machine. What is the Mealy machine? Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, 0 Z1, 1 Z1, 0 Z2, 1 Z1, 0 Z1, 1 Z2. Please try to do this question. First, make the transition table for this. After that, convert into Mealy machine. Yes, do fast. Do fast. Okay. What is the transition table for this? Next state, output, next state, output, input is 0 and 1, state Q1. What is the next state of Q1 on 0? Q2. What is output associated with Z1? On 1, Q3, Z1. Okay. Q2 on 0, Q2, output is Z2. Q2 on 1, Q3, output is Z1. Q3 on 0, Q2, output is Z1. Q3 on 1, Q3, output is Z. This is the transition table for this Mealy machine. Now convert into Mealy machine. What are the output associated with Q1? Nothing. There is no output associated with Q1. On Q2, Q2 is Z1, Z1 and Z2. For Q3, Z1, Z2. How many number of states in equivalent Mealy machine? 5. 5. What are the name of the states? Please see. 0, 1, output. On Q1, there is no output. Q2, Z1. I am naming this state Q2, Z1. Output is associated with Z1. Q2, Z2. Output is associated with Z2. Q3, Z1. Z1. Q3, Z2. Output associated with Z2. Clear? What is the transition? Q2 Z1, Q3 Z1, Q2 Z2, Q3 Z1, Q2 Z2, Q3 Z1, Q2 Z1, Q3 Z2, Q2 Z1, Q3 Z2. Clear? This is the equivalent Moore machine. Check. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. Do next question. Construct an equivalent Moore machine. Construct an equivalent Moore machine. What is the Mealy machine? Next state output. Next state output. Input is 0 and 1. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Okay. Q3 0, Q2 0, Q1 1, Q4 0, Q2 1, Q1 1, Q4 1, Q3 0. Please try to do this question. Do fast. Have you done this? See, what are the output associated with the states? Q1, Q1 1. There is any output associated with 1? No. Q2 0, Q2 1, Q3 0, Q4 0, Q4 1. Yes or no? This is 0 and this is 1. Now, how many number of states in equivalent Moore machine? 6. 6. Please see. 0, 1, output. Q1, Q2 0, Q2 1, Q3, Q4 0, Q4 1. Output associated with 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Q3, Q2 0, Q1 1, Q1, Q4 0, Q1, Q4 0, Q2 1, Q1, Q4 1, Q3 0, Q4 1, Q3 0. Please check. Q3, 3, there is only one state. Q3. Please check. Clear? Till now we have seen finite automata, with and without output. Without output, with output. With output. In without output, we saw DFA, NFA, and epsilon NFA. And with output, Moore machine, Mealy machine. We have completed this and this. In next lecture of series, we will see regular expression for regular language. Clear?